भारत को जानो क्लास 6 ऐसे 2। नेम द हिंदू गॉडेस ऑफ लर्निंग सरस्वती। हाउ मेनी श्लोक्स आर इन श्रीमद् भगवत 1800। Which Sikh Guru sacrificed his 4 sons for Dharma? Guru Gobind Singh. Who is the writer of Ramayana? Maharishi Valmiki. Where was Sita kept by Ravan in Lanka after the abduction? Ashok Vatika. How many chapters are there in Bhagavad Gita? 18. Kathakali dance belongs to which state? Kerala. To which state does the dance swang belong? Haryana. In which year Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? 1919. When were Bhagat Singh Sukhdev Rajguru hanged? 23 March 1931. Who was the first education minister? Abul Kalam Azad. Name the city where first Asian Games were played. New Delhi 1951. Who was the first lady governor in Bharat? Sarojini Naidu. Under whose chairmanship was the Bharat Constitution passed? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Which is the most cultivated crop in Bharat? Rice. In which state of Bharat there is no railway line? Sikkim. Which state is considered to be the eastern gateway of Bharat and has the largest and most important variety of wildlife? Assam. Which separate Daman from the Gulf of Khambat? When a stream of Ganga enters into West Bengal, what is its name? Hooghly. In which sea is Lakshadweep Island situated? Arabian Sea. Where is Forest Research Institute situated? Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Where is National Sports Institute situated? Patiala, Punjab. National Dairy Research Institute and National Institute of Animal Genetics are situated at Karnal, Haryana. In which Veda agriculture practices are described? Rig Veda. At which place in world is Bharat ranked coconut production? First. When was internet started in Bharat? 15 August 1995. By which other name Eden Garden, the cricket stadium, is known? Ranji Stadium. Name the first player to go hat-trick in test match. Harbhajan Singh. Name the Bharatiya who holds the world record of scoring maximum centuries in one day. Sachin Tendulkar. Who is flying queen in India? P.T. Usha. The first deputy prime minister who was awarded by Bharat Ratna? Vallabhbhai Patel. Who is the Supreme Commander of Bharatiya Offense Forces? The President of Bharat. Which is the busiest airport of India? Mumbai. Which is the busiest bridge? Howrah Bridge at Kolkata. When was Bharat Ko Jano project was started at national level? 2001. What was the childhood name of Swami Vivekananda? Narendra Nath. Who was the Guru of Swami Vivekananda? Sri Ramakrishna Paramhans. When Swamiji's name was changed at Vivekananda at the time of his first departure in West. Name the state bird and state animal of Haryana. State animal black buck and state bird is black francolin. How many Vedas are there? Give their name. Rig Veda, Samved, Yajurved and Atharved. Which place is called Dharmkshetra in Gita? Kurukshetra. How many shlokas are there in Mahabharata? 1 lakh. To which deity Kedarnath temple is dedicated? Shiva. Which foreign invader did Chandragupta Maurya defeated and married his daughter Seleucus? Which ruler of Punjab possessed Kohinoor? Maharaja Ranjit Singh. At which place did Vasco da Gama first landed in India? Calicut. Which was the first capital of British Empire in India? Kolkata. What was the age of Rani Lakshmi Bai at the age of martyrdom? 23 years. When did Indo-Pak War take place in the Run of Kutch? 1965. Inspiration for Republic system of the Constitution taken from which country? France.